very quiet, and I will give you a free drink for sesame.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you, Miss. Please follow me.
Good evening, Miss. I hope you enjoy your meal. Here, your seat.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry. The cat can be go through. Would you like to try it? Yes. It still show decline. Maybe there a connection issue. Do you have another cat, Miss?
No. Maybe can I just it in my hotel room?
Yes, of course. May I have your room number, please?
Yes, my room number is 70.
Thank you, Miss Ida. I will forward the bill to your room account. You can settle it during checkout.
Okay.
You're most welcome.